Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Sharul Nizam bin Samsul. My student ID is 2019203366. Today I will explain about Lab 2 milling process. I will explain for step number 6. This one. Okay. Okay. For the part A, the machining process is rough mill circular pocket. And the cutting tool I choose Mu and Mill, and the description 20-S20-10-3T, and the number of insert is 3. The size DC dimension is 20, and for the LF and LH dimension, uh, for LF is 110 and LH is 30. So for the DC dimension, I choose 20 because the circle diameter is 60, and this one also 60. Same value for this one, and this one equals to same value 60. So 60 over 3, I get 20. So I choose 20. So for the part A, the cutting material is carbide, and the cutting speed is 274, and the end mill diameter is 20 because the end mill diameter is equal to the size DC dimension, and for the machine max is 6000. Cutting edge dash flux, this is equal to 3, and the spindle speed is 4360 rpm, and for the chip load is 0.16 millimeter over flute, and the feed rate I get 2093. So for the length of cut, for the estimated time is equals to length of cut over feet. So for the length of cut, as we know, the diameter is 60, so I choose 60, and the feed rate is equals to 2093. So when we divide the length of cut divide by feet, we will get 0.029 minutes. So for the part D, the graphic illustration, this is uh, the step that I want to mill this circle. So that's all from me. Thank you.